Hello students, today I am going to take a poem for class 10th from book First Flight. Poem is Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Introduction of the poem and the poet. Robert Frost was an American poet. His realistic verse portrayed ordinary people in everyday situations. Here he tries to change the mindset of people through his numerous works of poetry. Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost, is about the poet's optimism and his message to the readers about finding something positive in the negative things. Now, about the poem. The poem is simple, but symbolically it has a deeper meaning. It expresses the impact of smaller things, which changes our thought process for the future. His poem Dust of Snow conveys the message coherently. There are certain animals, things, or objects that people associate with negativity and doom. People overlook them when in search of help. The poet tries to alter this mindset through the poem. The rhyme scheme of the poem as a whole is A B A B C D C D. But if we check separately each paragraph, then it is A B A B. First stanza. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. First, let's discuss the meaning. Way means manner. Shook the snow dust down. And hemlock is a poisonous tree. Now the explanation. The poet recounts a small incident that changed his mood. He was feeling depressed and hopeless. He was standing under a hemlock tree. A lot of snow dust has already gathered at the top of the tree. A crow sitting on it shook the tree and snowflakes fell on the poet. The movement of the crow brings some dust of snow down. The fine dust of snow falls on the poet. This changed the thought process of the poet. He spent the rest of the day happily. In stanza 1, poet used symbolism. The crow and the hemlock both symbolizes the numerous and unending problem of our life. First, there is a crow which is associated with ill omen. On the other hand, hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Due to this, both are avoided and considered useless. Stanza 2. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved from part of a day I had rued. Meaning, a change of mood, a change in the present condition of mind. Saved means saved from being wasted. Part is a portion. Rued means regret deeply or felt sad. Now the explanation. When the snowflakes fell on the poet, his mood got changed from the state of sadness to happiness. He felt refreshed. He had given all hope of saving that dull and cheerless day, but now cheerfulness replaced the sense of regret. The poet realizes that the whole day has not gone waste. At least a part of the day has been saved and redeemed. The act of the falling of the fine dust of snow on him has cheered his heart and mood. This small incident saved the rest of the day from being wasted in disappointment. In this stanza, poet used alliteration, and the alliteration means the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. The instances of alliteration are as follows: has given my heart, and the second example is and saved some part. Message of the poem. At one time or the other, human beings go through sad moments and happy moments. Thus, here the poet transfers this knowledge to provide situations that we can identify with and thus effectively act on the message passed. The poet conveys the message that even a simple incident can be capable of pulling out a man from depression and change his outlook about how he sees this world. Irony is used in this poem. First, what is an irony? A contrast is seen between what is said and what is meant. A contrast between reality and expectation, between what appears to be true and the real truth. So there are two examples. First, the crow is the last bird we would expect to initiate any positive deed. In this case, crow is the precise source of positive transformation. And second, the irony is seen in the poet's use of hemlock tree and rue possessing poison, yet giving the poet much desired happiness.